Hey there, what's up? In this video, I will give you a quick guide on how you can add indicators on TradingView. Indicators are useful for analyzing trends, momentum, or market signals in your trading strategy. So once you open your TradingView account, you will just have to go to the chart that you want. So for example, this chart right here, and then just click full chart. And once you're here, you will just have to click indicators, which is on your tab toolbar, and then you will just have to search for either built-in or public indicators. So what you will have to do is basically you will just have to click the indicator of your choice, and then it will appear in your chart automatically, as you can see. And you can customize the indicator by going to your settings, which is right here, and then you will basically just have to go to scales and line, or inputs and style. So yeah, it really depends on the terminology of your screen. So yeah, you will just have to basically explore that so that you will be able to maximize all of its features. And yeah, that's basically just it. And I hope you found this video helpful. And by the way, you could also save it as a template. So yeah, uh, just click save as template if you want, and of course name your template whatever you want. And yeah, that's basically just it. And I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you and have an awesome day.